Hi guys, it's Cheyenne. So today, as I asked you guys on my Instagram poll, I asked if you guys wanted to see a natural, full face natural makeup look or a three eye looks using one palette, and most of you said 3 eye looks using one palette. So today I'll be using this, the Wet n Wild Poster Child palette. I got this a year ago and I've never touched it since. I think because like the colors are like really they're not really pigmented, and this was when I had no eyeshadow palettes, so I bought this because I wanted to play with some colorful eyeshadows. So yeah, I'll be giving this palette a second chance before I ultimately decide to throw this away. So yeah, stay tuned for the giveaway at the end. I'll be giving away a whole lot of makeup, a whole bunch of makeup for you to get your Raya glam on. So yeah, keep on watching.
But I'm scared, please slow down. I never met, felt so bad. That's why I never play games. Is it easy, lazy? No, but I know you're so good. I try to open my door. Let's start the game. Oh, oh, I wanna be together. I'm shy, shy girl. Ooh, ooh, I wanna hold your arm. Yeah, yeah, let's have ourselves. But I'm scared, please slow down. I never met, felt so bad. That's why I never play games. Is it easy, lazy? No, but I know you're so good. I try to open my door. Let's start the game. Oh, oh, I wanna be together. I'm shy, shy girl. Ooh, ooh, I wanna hold your arm. Yeah, yeah, let's have ourselves.
Thanks for watching, and now that you're in this part of the video, and I hope you didn't fast forward here, because if you do, I'd be really disappointed at you. And now if you want to learn the details of the giveaway, alright, so first of all you need to comment down below which look was your favorite. Was it the first, second or third, and your Instagram handle. And then the next step is to go to my Instagram page, look for this post. Yeah, look for this post and comment down below. I'll write the full details of the giveaway inside that Instagram post if you want an extra entry. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye.